Oh, guys, I've been putting off making this video for a really long time, but I think it is that time. I get asked about Tesla all the time. I get asked why I don't have a position in Tesla, and we're going to get right into the nuts and bolts of this one today. What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trades. We have technical analysis on different stocks in the stock market, as well as potential buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor nor expert, so take what I say with a grain of salt. The reason that I started this channel is because a couple years back, I was about $30,000 deep in some medical debt, and I was very fortunate to have some close family, friends, and mentors that pushed me to work hard and invest my money. And I'm happy to say that not only am I now financially free, but I'm doing pretty well for myself at the age of 23. So if I can pass along any of the information, resources, or tools that are given to me, make a couple people better off than they were before here in the community, that's all that I can ask for. Lastly, if you would not mind dropping a like on the video, it really does help support the channel, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this. Now today, we're going to be giving a video on Tesla, and to be completely transparent, I do not have a position in Tesla. These are the stocks that I currently do have a position in, and we're just going to run you through what I think of the stock as a whole. We're going to look at this from a macroscopic and microscopic perspective, take a look at the overall charts, any sort of bullish or bearish action that we're having with Tesla, and then we'll look at this at a fundamental perspective as well. Just give you an idea of, I mean, everybody knows what Tesla does, but we'll read you off what Tesla does. We'll read you off their market cap. We'll look at overall growth on the company, any sort of new releases on news that we've seen with Tesla. Elon Musk is the richest man in the world now, fun fact. But we're just going to dive into this as a whole. So let's just take a quick look at the Patreon. I just want to give a quick shout out to everybody. We are 306 members strong right now. Optal, Stephanie, S. Francis, Colin, Louis, David, GG, I Eat Shots Like 50, Frederick, Indrick. Thank you guys so much for the support. You guys rock. They'll have access to the private Discord as well as real-time insight to my personal trading. And guys, this Discord is full of nuggets. We've got SPAC plays, short-term plays, mid-term plays, long-term plays, investing assistance, chat, and questions. There's a whole lot of good stuff in here. We've even got a freaking meme page. So if you like memes, we're cooking with Crisco here. I gotta give my man a laugh emoji right there. That's good stuff. But with that being said, let's just get right into the video. So we're gonna give you a quick read off on what Tesla is. They engage in the design, development, manufacture, and sale of fully electric vehicles, energy generation, and storage systems. It also provides vehicle service centers, superchargers, station, and self-driving capability. The company operates through the following segments: automotive and energy generation and storage. The automotive segment includes the design, development, manufacture, and sale of electric vehicles. The energy generation and storage segment includes the design, manufacture, installation, sale, and lease of stationary energy storage products and solar energy systems, and sale of electricity generated by its solar energy systems to customers. It develops energy storage products for use in homes, commercial facilities, and utility sites. The company was founded by Jeffrey B. Straubel, Elon Reeve Musk, Martin Eberhard, and Mark Tarpenning on July 1st, 2003, and is headquartered in Palo Alto, California. And if we take a look at their website really quick, you can see a bunch of the different products that they have here. We've got the Model S starting at $70,000, the Model 3, the Model X, the Model Y, solar for new roofs. They've got accessories. I'm assuming this is a charging station. They've got a lot of different stuff here. And if we look at the market cap on Tesla, guys, this is so filthy. This is disgusting. They are almost a $1 trillion market cap, $783 billion. And look at this. This is what's really insane. Their 52-week range, $70.10 to $884. Oh my freaking God. All right. So anybody in the comment section right now, if you got into Tesla for anything under $100, and I'll even go as far as to say, if you got into Tesla for $51, anything under $50, let us know, because that is so disgusting. That is crazy. You need to tell everybody your insane margins on Tesla right now, because man, or even if you got into Tesla as a penny stock, can you imagine if you got 1,000 shares of Tesla and you bought it at $5 and you still were holding right now at 826, you would have turned your $5,000 into $826,000. That is so disgusting. Oh my God. All right, so we're gonna look at this from a macroscopic perspective. And guys, I think what scares me about Tesla and why I don't have a position in Tesla is there really haven't been any price corrections. It's been bullish territory for literally a straight year. It's insane. This is like defying all laws of fundamental and technical analysis. I suppose just technical analysis, but technical analysis in the stock market. It is so disgustingly crazy. That's so filthy. I mean, look at this. If we look at this on the RSI indicator over a period of 2 years, This has been overbought for literally periods of months. Months. And the corrections, we've only seen one time where this is oversold. Oversold down to an RSI of 24. And that's not even that bad. The corrections here have always been neutral. And that just blows my mind. That's insane. And I mean, I think the big reason why I don't have a position in Tesla is because that scares the crap out of me, right? So if we just drop a Fibonacci real quick from this base right here up to the current run up, we should see a correction. We should, but we haven't, to this 61.8% correction at about $615. And it hasn't happened. It's just running. It's just running. I can't believe that. That's so nuts. I did have a position in Tesla at one point in time. I bought in for about $400 a share, and it got up to $650. And I was thinking to myself, man, I just don't feel like this can run up anymore. And I ended up selling out. And I don't regret it. I'm going to be honest. I'm glad I took profits on that. I'm glad that I made some money. I did miss out on a lot, right? But what scares me about Tesla is I feel like people get into Tesla and Tesla stock solely for the name. Like Tesla carries weight. It's like Apple. It's like Apple, man, or Elon Musk. People hear Elon Musk's name. You're investing in Tesla because of the name, because of the branding, because it's a freaking Tesla, guys. I mean, they're crazy looking cars. They look insane. Like if we just look at this real quick, that looks really sleek, right? But it is the $70,000 car. And as far as I've seen, what's special about these is the sleekness, the aesthetics of the car. But other than the fact that it's an electric car, it is just a car, right? I'm not dissing on Tesla whatsoever. I mean, there's a reason Elon Musk is the richest man in the world. But I am a little bit nervous about Tesla because we have a crossover on the 15 VAMA over the 200 EMA that has literally done nothing but gap up for literally a period of 8 months. And that scares the living crap out of me. I don't know how to feel about Tesla. I couldn't even give an opinion on when to buy this because all it's done is run. We haven't seen any corrections. And like, if you guys have followed the channel for a while, you know that I don't like chasing stocks, right? And this feels like a really, really heavy chase. So I don't want to deter people from not getting into Tesla because I know I'm going to get comments in the comment section saying, why would you tell people not to get into the fastest growing company basically in the world? But Tesla, to me, feels like a chase. And I just say tread cautiously. I am thinking we're in a very bullish market, right? We are in an extremely bullish market. Things are rocking real hard right now. We're cooking with Crisco, cooking with bacon grease. But Tesla just hasn't had any sort of corrections in a very long time. Now, if we change this to a 1 month chart and to a 60-minute frequency, take a quick look at this. The closest we've seen to bearish territory has been right here. And we saw a dip from $695 down to $620. What kind of stock in the market can you see a holdup of price where it moves up or down $80 and then just gives it right back in 2 days? Oh man, this is so filthy. This is literally it just breaks all laws of technical analysis. But if you are looking for a position in Tesla, we do currently have a resistance line sitting right here at about $883. I think it's very likely we see a push for 1,000 in the near future. And if you'd asked me that 2 months ago, back when it was $400, I probably would have said no. But it's looking absolutely filthy. Tesla, I think, is going to continue its run. But be cautious because I'm not saying a price correction is going to happen, but we haven't really seen a bad price correction yet with Tesla. And if it does happen, I think it's going to be really freaking gnarly. So, if we come back to the 1 year chart here, and retrace this with the Fibonacci, we're looking at likely a price correction down to about $613. And that is a significant drop. That is a lot. And if you buy in at the peak here at $800, you're going to be looking at a pretty hefty, negative margin on your account. So just be cautious. If you're looking at this as a long-term hold and you're never going to look at it again, until you want to cash out and retire, right? When the dip happens, that's an opportunity for you to average down, right? If you don't currently have a position in Tesla, or if a dip happens, average up. If you do have a position in Tesla, I don't have a position in Tesla. I think there are lots of stocks in the market that can give you filthy returns just like this with, more readable and digestible and analyzable patterns in the chart, right? But Tesla to me is literally just bullish all the time. That kind of scares me. So if we look at this on a 1 month chart here, we do have support and resistance. Resistance sitting at $883. Support sitting at $807. We do have a nice bottom out right here. This is a good looking cup and handle. So I'll draw that out so you can see that really nice. We've got this large dip followed by a smaller dip right here. And it's pretty clean. I mean, we are looking a little bit bearish the last couple of days, so we might retest that 807 support level. And that could be a solid entry point for you to get into Tesla. This is currently in oversold territory today, or yesterday, I suppose it would have been 2 days ago, as well as the 11th of January. So now if you are looking to get into the stock and hold it for a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, this is a great opportunity to get into it. Honestly, I think Tesla is going to end up looking like Amazon someday, unless they do another reverse stock split. But look at where Amazon's at. I could very easily see Tesla doing the same thing in 5 years. If we look at Amazon, for instance, on a 5-year chart and look at their growth, 5 years ago, they were a $486 company. Tesla right now is an $800 company. So if you continue this, I mean, Amazon's another one of those companies that's just defies all laws of technical analysis. But if Tesla falls in the same shoes of Amazon and continues this insanely bullish run, it could look a lot like this, right? So this is the powerhouse. This looks like a safe play. I'd just be very cautious of a price correction if it does happen. You know, Tesla does have a great name for itself, and it looks fantastic. I don't have a position, but just be very cautious and tread lightly if you decide to get into this stock. So that's how the 1 month chart looks. This is extremely bullish territory. The 15 VAMA is over the 200 EMA. RSI indicator is trading a little bit bearish right now, very close to oversold territory. So it's a great buying opportunity if you're looking to get into Tesla. I do think it's going to continue to grow. I'm not going to get into it because I'm a little bit nervous. I like to be able to analyze charts better than just straight bullish runs for literally years and years and years. And this is just not my personal trading style. Don't let that deter you from getting into the stock, because right now is an opportunity to buy in, but be cautious. If there is a price correction, I do think it's going to be around $613, which is a large drop. And I know that people are going to hate that I said that because everyone loves Tesla, but just tread very, very, very lightly if you do decide to get into this company. So they're a great company. I do see them growing for some time to come. And I think there's better stocks in the market that's day or swing trade. I don't recommend day or swing trading an $800 stock. But if you are looking to do so, they do have pretty hefty drops and rises. I mean, it is only 2%, but you're looking at an $18 swing here. I think even more than that. We started the day off at $8.54, ended the day at $8.24. So I think it's about $25, $30. So if you have a lot of money, you know, you could get into this and be guaranteed to make some cash, depending on how the market opens or closes. If we look at them on a 1 month chart really quick, typically if Tesla opens green, they finish green. And if they open red, they usually finish red. So that is something to keep in mind to help your investing decisions. I have noticed that on the charts. So I hope that that is helpful. We'll change this over to a 2-day 1 minute chart again. Currently bearish territory. We do have the cross under on the 15 VAMA over the 200 EMA. So bearish territory, finish the day a little bearish. But I do think it's going to continue its run. This is a great stock to hold mid to long term. I don't personally have one, but Elon Musk is the richest man in the world. He's got almost a $1 trillion market cap on Tesla. I don't know what Amazon's is, but I'm assuming if we pulled it up, it'd be pretty filthy. And I think they're honestly on track to become the next Amazon. I mean, they have completely different products, but Amazon, $1.56 trillion market cap, and they're a $3,100 stock. So I think Tesla, if we go back and check here again, Tesla is nearing that $1 trillion market cap, $783 billion. And if we so much as just double this, that's $1,600, and that's still way undervalued compared to Amazon. So it looks to me like Tesla should continue its run up, and if you got in really early, continue to hold. If you're looking to buy, just be cautious, tread lightly. But it does look like a monster stock. There's no way around it. Tesla is what it is. Tesla's name carries its own weight. It's just like Apple, just like Microsoft, Bill Gates. Elon Musk has become the Bill Gates of autonomous driving, and I do continue to see this drive up. I'm not going to get a position, but I think that it will treat you very well. So thank you for watching the video. That is what I have for you today. Please drop a like if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this. And lastly, I do have an affiliate link in the description box for TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is an SEO optimization website that I personally pay a $9 per month membership for, and it is highly what I attribute growing from 0 to 8.5 thousand subscribers in a little over a month. So if you're a content creator or looking to become one, I could not recommend this highly enough. It is a great tool to help get your videos into the eyes of your intended audience. And if you do use my link, I will receive a commission off your purchase at no extra cost to you. So it is a great way to support the channel. And if you're not interested, that's totally fine. I just appreciate your support by taking the time to watch my videos. So that is what I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Peace.